Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you in how you can fix some keys is not working on your laptop keyboard. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here, if you can find the keyboard, then you just need to simply click on the run button that corresponds to keyboard. So once you find the keyboard with the run button that corresponds to it, click the run button to run the keyboard troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. Next method, make a right click at the start button, select device manager. Now once the device manager is up, locate your keyboards. And here locate your keyboard driver, make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Click on yes to restart it. Next method, still in the device manager window, locate keyboards. Right click on your keyboard driver, select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled the driver, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, that will automatically reinstall the driver on your Windows that you have uninstalled. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows operating system. So click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update and click this button right here because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue with it and it will give us a better performance. So once updated, then simply close this. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.